Breaking news, guys! If you've been waiting for the updates on the caregiver program to get your permanent residency in Canada, the wait is finally over. And that's right, no CRS score, no LMIA, and the best part is PR upon arrival. IRCC has just announced the major update to the home care worker immigration pilot, and trust me, you want to hear this. They have just launched 2 new streams that could be your fast track to PR in Canada. If you are a home care support worker or a personal support worker or working in childcare, these programs are designed specifically for you. So you could get easily PR and immigrate to this country and get PR on arrival. So without wasting time here, let's jump straight into the details of how can you make sure that you are ready for this wonderful opportunity. In this video, I will break down the eligibility criteria, the 2 new streams announced by IRCC, and what steps you need to take to prepare your application or documents ahead of time. Last year, the Canadian government announced the program would open on March 31st, 2025, but now they have just dropped major updates that you need to know it. As we all know, the home care support workers play a crucial role in Canadian society. Whether you are providing care to seniors, nurturing children, or supporting people with disabilities, your work is highly valued. And now the Canadian government has made it easier for workers like you to get permanent residency in Canada. This is a one-step immigration process for home care workers and their families. That means once qualified, you can get PR without needing prior work experience in the occupation. Yes, you heard that right. No more waiting for prior Canadian work experience to qualify. If you meet the requirements, you could be on your way to get the permanent residency faster than ever before. Now let's break down the 2 new immigration streams. The first one is the workers in Canada stream. The second one is the applicants not working in Canada. When the program officially opens on March 31st, 2025, applications for the workers in Canada stream will be accepted. And the second stream for those not working in Canada will open later on, and IRCC will launch the details later. This is the Home Care Worker Immigration Pilot website which they launched recently with all the information. Here we are talking about the eligibility criteria. The first thing is that they have reduced the language and the education requirements. So you need to have a level 4 in CLB or NCLC. Level 4 is a very minimum criteria. A person can easily get it. The education requirement is that you need to have a minimum high school diploma. If you have a high degree also, that is also valid. But if you are a foreign national, you are not working in Canada, you need to assess your degree from ECA. So you need to assess whether West or any other university, but your degree should be assessed. The next requirement is that no in Canada work experience needed. That is the good news. Applicants won't need any prior Canadian work experience, but they need to have a recent or relevant 6 months of experience. Or they can have a minimum of 6 months of related home care training. That is also good news for all of you. And the last and most important thing is that you need to have a full-time offer in home care within Canada and outside Quebec. When we are talking about the full-time offer, you can get an offer from private households. You can get an offer from a family who has fulfilled the CRA requirement. If they need a care for their child or senior citizen in their home, they can provide you the offer letter. Or the organization that directly hire full-time workers, which includes like home health care service providers, home care support service providers, direct care agencies, personal care service and residential settings, and pediatric home health care service providers. Make sure it does not include the recruitment or the placement agency. If you are not in Canada, sometimes it happens if you are doing your process through the agency and other services, they might provide you the offer letter which is not valid. You might get scammed that getting the offer letter from the placement agency, and if you are paying the hefty amount, make sure that you are checking your offer letter. It should be valid as per the IRCC guidelines. This is your chance to become permanent residents of Canada with lower requirement and more flexibility. Get the job offers, prepare your documents, and be ready to apply in 2025. The next thing here is that if you applied from Home Child Care Provider program ended on June 17, and if you applied under gaining experience and now you have enough eligible work experience, you can submit your proof. And the second good news here is that if you are a home care worker without status in Canada, you still have a chances to apply for home care worker immigration pilot under a public policy. Only a limited spots will be available, guys. So make sure you prepare all your documents, get the job offer letter, assess your degree, do everything. And once the program opens, you just apply because it is very limited spots. So the final document checklist is, the first one, have a minimum of level 4 in English or French, whether it is in CLB or NCLC. The second thing, have the equivalent of Canadian high school diploma or higher. Third thing, have at least 6 months of recent and relevant work experience or related caregiver training credential. The last thing, have an offer for a full-time home care job. Now, mark your calendars, the Home Care Worker Immigration Program officially opens on March 31st, 2025. But you need to prepare now, so you will be ready when the application opens. You will be eligible to apply if you are in Canada. If you found this information helpful and ready to take the next steps toward getting your PR in Canada, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss any updates. And drop a comment if you have any questions or you want more updates. I'll help you out. Thank you so much for watching. It's Aarti Khajuria. I'll see you in the next videos. Until then, stay informed and take care.